Okay. Now, today in the last class, we have discussed about resistance and numericals related to resistance are equal to L by A. If you remember that. You've done that now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what topics we have done? You know, we have done the resistance question on resistance question. So I have done. We have done combination of resistance. Anything about resistance? Why is not able to join? Gaurav, if you join, let me know. Gaurav,
Jain sir.
yes, Jai Hind. Uh, so everyone is joined. Gaurav, you have joined or not?
Yes sir.
Okay. So there were two IDs showing, so that's what you were not able to join. I'll wait for a few other students to join, then we can start. Today we are going to start resistance series and resistance in parallel. Combination of resistance. Okay. So combination of resistance. So resistance can be combined. Can be combined in various ways. Distance can be combined in various ways. First of all, we are going to talk about series combination. In this type of combination, resistance are same current flow. In this type of combination, same current flow in the resistor. इसमें सेम करंट फ्लो होता है. Just let me show you. Suppose this is resistor. Then suppose this is the cell. There we have switch. And circuit is complete. Now the current flowing is I. Battery is of B volt. This resistance is R1. This resistance is R2. So the current which is passing through this will go in this circuit also, and same current will go in this circuit and it will pass like this. Same current is flowing in this whole circuit. So the current flowing in this R1 and R2 are same. So current flowing in the R1 and R2 are same. So if the same current flow in the circuit, then we say that this is a switch combination. Or you can say that when the resistance are joined end to end, one end of resistance is joined to another end of resistance, then we also say that it is switch combination. So when the resistance are joined in series, then there is a concept called equivalent resistance, concept of equivalent resistance. So how we can use that and how we apply in this question, we are going to see that. So, but always remember, the current remains same, but the potential is different for both the circuit. In first circuit, it would be, for this it will be potential will be V1, and for this it will be V2. So let me tell you how it happens. See, in the given circuit, in the given circuit diagram, potential difference across the resistance, potential difference across the resistance R1 is V1 equal to IR1 potential difference across R2 is V2 equal to IR2. Because the current is flowing through this. So if the current in this R1 is I, then potential is V1 equal to IR1. And for this, you'll write V2 equal to IR2. Now adding 1 and 2. V1 total potential difference V1 plus V2 should be equal to the battery's potential difference. We know that potential which you have supplied with battery is V. So sum of potential of this V1 and V2 should be equal to the battery potential. So you can write also. If I put here, so it is IR1 plus IR2. Now if I take I common, I'll get R1 plus R2. Now instead of having two resistor, this which I'm trying to explain here. Give me a minute. I just want to. Now suppose that the combined resistance of these two resistors R1 and R2 is R. Let us suppose that combined resistance of both resistor is R, or we called R equivalent. Then we can redraw circuit like this. Then we can redraw circuit like this. That total resistance will be, instead of two circuit, we are having only one circuit. This is R1. This is the combined R equivalent. This is cell and the current is A. So I've replaced this R1 and R2 by R equivalent. Let this with equation number 3. Then
Sir,
we
please
can
scroll
say that.
down Sir, please scroll down the screen a little bit.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, continue.
So let us suppose that combined resistance of both resistor is R equivalent. Resistor is R equivalent. Okay, this is R equivalent. Then we can say that thus we can redraw circuit like this, and V will be equal to I into R equivalent. By Ohm's law, write that by Ohm's law, I can write बैटरी का वोल्टेज भी है, करंट I फ्लो R equivalent R है, V equal to IR. This is equation number 4. So from third and fourth, you see this is V equal to IRE1 plus R2. This is IR equivalent R1 plus R2. So when I will equate, I'll get IR equivalent is equal to I R1 plus R2, and this I will cancel each other, and we get R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. This R equivalent is called the equivalent resistance of the circuit in series. Let me tell you again these things. Once we write it, then we'll talk.
So you will send this all no?
हाँ ये भेजेंगे तो वो तो मैं भेजूंगा ही।
तब नहीं लिखेंगे।
बट आप लोग को नोट का भी नोट कर लिया करिए, क्योंकि ऐसे करते करते काफी ज्यादा बर्डन हो जाएगा और आपको बाद में नोट्स मिलेंगे
सर
नहीं।
थोड़ा सा नीचे करिए।
स्क्रीनशॉट लिया करो, फिर आप लिख करा करो।
Sir, continue.
Okay. You see. Now, let me tell you once again. So in this time circuit, the same current flow through the resistor. जो current इसमें जाता है वही current इसमें जाता है। मान लीजिए यहाँ दो resistance R1 R2. Now बैटरी से जो current जा रहा है वो इसमें भी जा रहा है, वो इसमें जा रहा है. So we can see that same current is flowing in the both circuit. Now in this circuit, the potential difference across this will be V1 equal to IR1. And for the second resistor, we'll write V equal to IR2. Current is same, but resistance is different, so potential will be different. So this should be equal to sum of the potential of both the cells. Battery potential, so V1 equal to IR1 plus IR2. We have taken I common. Now I have replaced this whole resistance R1 R2 by a single resistor, whose resistance I have taken R equivalent. So by Ohm's law I will write I R equivalent. These two equations should be equal. So I will be cancel both sides. I will get R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. This is how you can find. This is called the equivalent resistance in the series combination. Now we will solving question on the basis of this theory. Always remember that in the series combination the current is same, potential difference, and overall resistance of the circuit increases. Let me take
Sir,
example.
फिर से लेकिन धीरे धीरे बहुत फास्ट फॉरवर्ड था।
रिवीजन मैंने किया ना, क्या कुछ बताओ, कुछ समझाओ इसको दोबारा।
यस सर।
यस सर एक बार।
तो बच्चे आप लोग कहाँ थे क्लास में? सुनिए जी, हाँ देखियो, करंट अगर आई फ्लो हो रहा है तो अगर ये रेजिस्टेंस R1 है तो पोटेंशियल V1 इज इक्वल टू आई R1, पोटेंशियल V2 इज इक्वल टू आई R2, क्योंकि दोनों का पोटेंशियल सेम रहेगा ना, करंट तो सेम जा रहा है इसमें। जो करंट यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा है वही करंट इसमें जा रहा है, वही करंट इसमें जा रहा है, और फिर ऐसे आ गया। सो V1 इज इक्वल टू आई R1 एंड सेकेंड सर्किट V2 इज इक्वल टू आई R2। यहाँ लिखे V1 इक्वल टू आई R। अब ये दोनों का पोटेंशियल V1 और V2 का ना ऐड करने पर बैटरी के पोटेंशियल के इक्वल होना चाहिए या होता है। वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया, आई R1 प्लस आई R2, आई कॉमन निकाल लिया R1 प्लस R2, और अब मैं कह रहा हूँ वो दोनों बैटरी हटा करके एक सिंगल, दोनों रजिस्टर हटा के सिंगल रजिस्टर लगाए जिसका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस R इक्विवेलेंट। तो ओम्स लॉ से हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर सेम करंट फ्लो हो रहा है V इक्वल टू आई इंटू आर इक्विवेलेंट। ये सर्किट इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड और फोर्थ सेम है, पोटेंशियल सबका सेम है, इसका पोटेंशियल V है, इसका पोटेंशियल V है, तो उसको इक्वेट करेंगे तो आई R1 प्लस R2 आई आर इक्विवेलेंट के इक्वल कर लेंगे, आई कट जाएगा, आर इक्विवेलेंट आ जाएगा R1 प्लस R2। ये सर्किट का इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस निकालने का फॉर्मूला है जिसको मैंने डिराइव किया है।
Sir, understood.
Now we are going to take a problem from in the given circuit. Find So I'm going to make a circuit. फार्मूला हमने 2 रेजिस्टेंस की बताया है, बट फार्मूला 3 रेजिस्टेंस रहेंगे तो भी वैलिड है. बीस वोल्ट की बैटरी है. ये 5 ओम का है, ये 4 ओम का है, ये 9 ओम का है.
सर
पहले
वो
फाइंड द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस.
सर वो एस ओम का है.
5 ओम. Find equivalent resistance या find R equivalent. Second, find current in the circuit. And third is find potential difference across each resistor. Solve करें. Ten ohm and 2 ampere. Satyam. Okay, you're right. बाकी लोग. Ten ohm with his. Very good. I've got first answer from two students, Satyam and Ridhesh. Chris, okay, 10 ohm. Satyam has given 5 ohm, 10 ohm, potential difference 8 volt. Okay, 2 volt. 10 volt, right? Satyam is the right answer.
So the answer
So the answer was right. Nakul, you have also
It
given
is-
right answer.
A10 Hume.
8 ohm, 10 ohm, 2 ampere. Okay, it's fine.
And B
Who
2
is saying?
ampere. So Gaurav.
Yes.
So
Gaurav,
C
okay.
in first case, in first resistance 10 volt, second resistor 8 volt, and third resistor 2 volt.
Okay, fine. Okay, so some of you have answered the question. Rest, although I have not answered it, but some of you have answered. Now let us solve this. You see, R equivalent will be, I told you the formula will be R1 plus R2 plus R3. तीनों सीरीज में है, तीनों में सेम करंट जा रहा है, तो शायद डाटा है 441. So 5 plus 4 plus 1, ये आ गया 10 ohm. Second, find current. So current I is equal to क्या होगा? I equal to V by R equivalent. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जो है वो 10 है, एंड आर इक्विवेलेंट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सॉरी 20 है, और टोटल रेजिस्टेंस जो है 10 है. तो करंट हो जाएगा 2 एम्पियर. थर्ड क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस ईच रेजिस्टर. सो करंट तो सब में सेम है, so we can say that potential difference across V1 is equal to IR1, and current is how much? Current we know 2, resistance is 5, so 10 volt. Similarly, potential across second wheel resistance will be IR2, which is 2 into 4, which is 8 volt. और V3 हो जाएगा I into R3. The current is 2 ampere and resistance is 2 volts. You can see that 10 plus 8 plus 2 total is 20 volt. So this is how the potential is different for all the circuit, but current is same for each of them. So this is how you find the equivalent resistance and current
Okay, one more
and
question.
potential difference. So you want one more question? Okay. So I'm going to give you another question. Wait a minute. So hello.
Yes, sir.
The question is given that resistance are in ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. So So if the resistance are ratio 3:2 then find current in the circuit.
So 5 amp.
Actually, I think I have written this. There's some mistake in the question because how you can calculate? You have taken 3 plus 2 plus 5,
So
then
X
you'll get the वो दिक्कत हो
it's
जाएगा. Look, give me. It's the wrong question.
वही
Suppose
ना.
let it change कर रहे हैं. Change कर देते हैं. This is 3 ampere, 2 ampere, 1 ampere. ये values है.
Sir, 5.
So now current
Sir, 5 ampere.
Sir, it is 30 volt.
30 volt. Yeah. A second, find the equivalent resistance.
Sir 6.
Okay, so ये बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन आप लोग कर लिए होंगे. R equivalent जो हो जाएगा वो 3 plus 2 plus 1 which is 6 ohm, and current is going to be
5 amp.
equal to V by R equivalent 30 by R equivalent
6.
6 5 ampere. This is how you do the question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
now I'm going to give you one more problem. This is slightly different. If there are 10 resistance of resistance 2 ohm each, then what will be current in the circuit if each resistor are joined in series if there are 10 resistor of resistors 2 ohm each, what will the current in the circuit if each resistor are joined in series? 2A battery of potential 50 volt.
Two point five.
Sir, 2.5
2 point?
ampere. Sir, 2.5 ampere.
Okay. So how we do?
Sir, as you have told, sir, sir, there are 10 resistor and each have 2. So the total potential of resistance is 20, then voltage of 50, then we'll divide and we'll get 2.5.
Yes, R1 plus R2, so each are of 10 ohm. तो ऐसे ऐसे करके 2 plus 2 10 है, so you'll get 20 ohm because this is 10 times. And current is going to be I equal to V by R. Potential difference is 50, total resistance is 20, so it is 2.5 ampere. So this is the current.
Sir, one more.
One more question.
Parallel.
पैरेलल तो पढ़ाया नहीं है ना, पैरेलल हम लोग पढ़ाया नहीं है, पैरेलल में अगली क्लास में पढ़ाऊंगा
So that
और
I'm
फिर
saying
क्वेश्चंस हम लोग
now study parallel.
नाउ इट विल टेक टाइम ना, उसको समझाने में समय लगेगा. आई हैव अनदर क्लास आल्सो. दिस क्लास इज ओवर व्हेन टाइम हो गया है ना. नेक्स्ट क्लास इज एट 11:40. Wait a minute, I just want to check that. So we'll be doing in the next class, okay? So this is how we will solve the question. आज सीरीज पढ़ लिए, कल पैरेलल
Yes,
पढ़ लेंगे और ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, तो हो जाएगा. हम लोग उसके बाद हीटिंग इफेक्ट वगैरह है. Goodbye.